Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Tuesday, March 13th, 2018. All right, it's been 4 days. I planted them last Friday, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's been 4 days since we planted these microgreens, so I just wanted to bring y'all along and see how they're coming out. I've watered them twice, I think, since Friday, just to keep them moist and growing on. All right, so the first ones I have here, I'm going to show you is the peas. They're not really lifting up any, so let's open it up here. You can definitely see they're sprouting. They're just not growing up as quickly. And from the first time I planted them, this is the second, and I definitely noticed that these were a little bit slower to sprout than the other ones. So it's pretty damp. I might water them a little bit later on this afternoon. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover these back up. Slide those over. All right, this is the sunflowers. Actually, you can see there's a little bit of lift and separation. Let's take these off. Yeah, and these are definitely sprouting. Good sprouts. Nothing serious. I got a little bare spot right there, but not horrible. Yeah, these are all looking good too. They're sprouting nicely. Still a few more days. I'm going to keep these stacked because they're definitely not ready. They still need to grow a little more. We want to see those leaves push up a little bit more. All right. So this is the radishes, and you can definitely see we definitely got a good amount of lift between the trays here. I'm gonna take the top off, and you can see, yeah, they're already pushing up. The leaves are trying to poke up, so they're definitely growing up. You notice the outside's green, inside's yellow. That's because the inside was covered, so it wasn't getting any sunlight. The outside got all the sun, and that's why they're green. But just keeping them uncovered, that's like I'm going to do right now, because they're sprouting up and the leaves are ready. I'm going to keep them out in the sun, and then this will all go green pretty quickly and grow in. I got a couple of bare spots, but you know, it's not going to kill me. Yep. So that looks good. Looks really good. I'm going to water these again, like I said, a little bit later on this afternoon. But yeah, they're nice and full. You can see they're trying to come out of the sun. These are poking straight up, and these are shooting out the side, wanting to get to that sunlight. So we're going to keep them uncovered. They'll shoot straight up. They'll be nice and lush and green, and everything should be good. So radishes are going to stay uncovered after 4 days. We'll probably go a couple of more days on the peas and the sunflowers, and give them a little bit more time to sprout and stiffen up and lift those trays above them. All right, guys, thanks for following along. In a few days, I'll come back with part 3 of this and show y'all how everything's going.